Hello, everybody. I'm Caleb Deshommes. I'm a professor of law at the Faculty of Law and Economics of the State University of Haiti. In French, we say Faculté de Droit et des Sciences Economiques de l'Université d'État d'Haïti. It's a pleasure for me to participate in the 2025 International Conference on Sustainable Development. The paper that I'm presenting is titled Electronic Governance and the Rule of Law in Haiti. In 2020, the United Nations recognized that digital technology can help achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. In Haiti, despite the fact that the government has recognized that digital technology is important, it is still underutilized. Meanwhile, rule of law is in a dismal state in Haiti. According to the to according to World Justice Project, Haiti is ranked 139 out of 142 countries as to rule of law index. Therefore, uh, therefore, my paper aims to determine how digital technology can help strengthen rule of law in Haiti. The methodology, the, the methodological tools I use to conduct my research are legal analysis, data analysis to find discrepancies between concepts and realities, and also comparative approach. First of all, we are going to consider access to law. The study demonstrates that digital technologies can help technology can be used to enable Haitian population to have a better access to law. Uh, the reality is that Haiti doesn't have an official website to publish laws. Haitian citizens have to pay the official journal, the official journal of the country, which is called Le Moniteur, to have access to laws in paper format. This is not acceptable because nowadays, almost all the countries in the world publish their legal text for free online. Therefore, uh, the Haitian government has to reform its service for digital dissemination of the law. The Haitian parliament has a website, has had a website for 10 years. Unfortunately, this website is not functional. We can conclude that Haiti is lagging far behind in the field of dissemination of legal texts. Regarding case law, Haitian courts and tribunals do not publish court rulings online. The country's Supreme Court, the Court of Cassation, Cour de Cassation, does not have a website to publish its ruling. So the Haitian government must do some efforts to create websites for Haitian courts. Now let's talk about access to justice. Access to justice means that when citizens have legal problems, they can go, they can seek redress, they can seek for a response in courts. The study shows that the Haitian justice system doesn't have any real database. Sometimes during burglaries, they steal courts files. Thus, the country should start use digital database in the tribunals, where still many tribunals or courts in the country don't have computers. According to a report from the National Human Rights Defense Network, in 2021, out of 444 peace courts in the country, only 96 of them had computers. The creation of legal database, of online database in the judicial system can help protect judicial archives in case of burglaries, fires, natural disasters, etc. Our research also shows that digital public services can help in the fight against corruption. Government officials have recognized in various statements that public digital services can help fight corruption. Thus, they have teamed up with international organizations to conduct several projects aiming to create digital public services in Haiti. Unfortunately, while we have to recognize that this is a good idea, most of these digital services end up becoming dysfunctional or end up disappearing. We can take the example of the electronic declaration project that was tried by the General Directorate of Taxes, in French we say Direction Générale des Impôts. They tried to put in place an e-declaration system, but it didn't last long. We can also take the example of DeliDoc. It is a platform where Haitian citizens can go to start a procedure to have their identity card. What it is and fraudsters were very angry because of this platform, because this platform prevents them from operating their corruption circuits. Digital public services help combat corruption because they prevent fraudsters to operate their corruption circuits, and also they help create digital databases that government officials can use to monitor corruptions. Therefore, the Haitian government should continue create digital public services while taking into account the critics that can help them do the things better. Our research also show that digital technology can help improve open government in the country. When we take into account the right to information, which is the fundamental aspect of open government, the Haitian government can use digital technology to improve its compliance with the right to information. The right to information suppose that citizens should have access to public data about public life. Unfortunately, in Haiti, data about public life are not made available to citizens. Data like salaries of government officials, allowance expenses to which they are entitled, data on public finance, decisions that government officials are taking. All this information can help the citizen better evaluate the work of government officials. Unfortunately, in Haiti, they are not really made available to the public, to the websites of public institutions. We think that the country should, the Haitian institutions should start creating websites to publish data about public affairs in the country. We hypothesize that the fact that government officials don't want to make the public data available, it's because they know that citizens will better be able to judge them if they have access to public data. Therefore, this can, when public data are available to citizens, this can strengthen democracy. We also hypothesize that corruption is preventing the government, corrupted government officials do not want to digitize public Haitian administration because the status quo, the actual system, help them do corruption without leaving traces. But digital cards can help the state to have traces of corruption. That's why, to our opinion, government officials are reluctant to publish information to digitize the public institution of the country. In conclusion, we can say that our study showed that rule of law can be strengthened if the requirements of e-governance are respected. Colleagues that are interested to collaborate with me on research projects concerning e-governance and rule of law in Haiti are welcome to contact me. Thank you for your attention.